Hi there. So, when was the last time you gave your rubbish bin a really good clean? That's a job that often gets neglected, but when you think about it, our rubbish bin is actually quite an important part of our daily lives. So, you want to give it a bit of attention from time to time. You can see ours was looking a bit dirty there. First thing you want to look at is what products you might be going to use. Most people will go for that disinfectant or maybe some floor cleaner, maybe some shower cleaner, dishwashing liquid, or some vinegar. You can use whatever you want. You don't need to go out and buy something super strong for cleaning wheelie bins. And you certainly don't need to use bleach either. So first of all, you're going to, of course, give everything a really good spray, because between the pressure from the hose and the water just soaking it will give things, help the dirt to start lifting off. I'm just standing back a bit there so I'm not getting wet. I used a little bit of dishwashing liquid, and in this instance that bottle of disinfectant I'd had for years, and I just wanted to use the last little bit so I could get rid of it from the cupboard. So first of all, you're going to give things a good scrub. You can see I had two different brushes there, and I started with the brush that had the harder bristles. It was actually one of those little grout cleaning brushes for cleaning grout on floors and presumably in showers as well. But I used it to give everything a really good scrub, and then to get the harder bits off. And then I swapped over to the softer bristled brush, and then went right around all the details and really got to everything. Clean it outside, and of course the lid, and particularly on the inside of the lid, is where you're going to get a lot of the smells and the dirt coming from. So go right into those details. So then after you've given everything a good scrub, tip that water out and get that hose again and give everything a rinse, because just like any cleaning you do, you're going to clean it with water and whatever cleaning chemical or product you're going to use, and then you're going to rinse it off. If it was something else, you might want to give it a polish afterwards and a wipe down afterwards, but I didn't actually feel like I needed to do that. And then afterwards, when you finish with the job, you want to actually clean the equipment that you used. You want to make sure that you're putting your things away nice and clean, so that they're ready to use the next time that you want to use them. So, it doesn't take much. Give them a spray and then leave them out in the sun for a while. Now you can see I've got our wheelie bin there, just leaning up on its lid, and I'll leave it open out in the sun, and that'll let it dry properly and also give it a good airing and a good bit of sterilisation from the sun. And as you can see, it's lovely and clean, just a few paint marks there, and it looks great. So job well done, and thank you for watching.